When designing a modern website, accessibility across all devices is key. Let's look at how this navigation menu adapts from desktop to mobile. On the desktop preview, we have plenty of horizontal space to work with. The links are laid out clearly in a row at the top of the page, featuring smooth hover states to guide the user and provide instant feedback. But what happens when your visitor is on a smaller screen? By switching to the mobile preview, you can see the responsive design in action. The menu automatically collapses into a clean hamburger icon to save valuable screen real estate. One tap reveals a vertical list of links, making it easy to navigate with a thumb while keeping the focus on the main content. Whether your visitors are on a 27-inch monitor or a 5-inch smartphone, responsive navigation ensures they always have a seamless experience.